Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on 2015 Mercedes C300. I think it's the same from 2011 to 2018 Mercedes C300. Okay, very simple. First off, we have to press only one time the start button, only one time. Okay, like that. And then we have to use up and down button so that to go to trip over there. Okay, trip and total mouse. All right, then we're gonna use a combination between the call button and the OK button. So we press them and hold them for 5 seconds or 10. All right, so the menu shows up, and then we're gonna scroll down to Assist Plus. Press OK. So then it says switch on. And then we say full service. Confirm service. Service performed. Yes. Okay. And then confirm. Full service carry out. And that's it. Very simple. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.